Launch enabled.
Egy perces indulás.
T-minus 90 seconds. The launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and eastern range are go for launch.
Elvileg 45 másodperc alatt felér. Ez lesz a leggyorsabb rakéta, amit felküldtek. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Most jön ide a hang.
Booster engine signatures look good. And booster has throttled back up. Max Q. RD-180s performing well for the Sentinel MR. All signatures look good. Currently flying at an altitude of 10 miles, downrange distance 6.8 miles, current velocity 2,400 miles per hour. And booster has throttled back, right on schedule. Signatures look good.
You are hearing the voice of Marty Milanowski
SRB
providing
chamber
launch
pressures have
vehicles
plateaued,
and
looking for
data.
burnout momentarily. And the SRBs have burned out. Booster will throttle back up momentarily, and we have begun throttling back up. Signatures continue to look good. Looking for SRB jettison. And we have jettisoned all 5 SRBs at this time. Signatures look good. Closed loop steering has been enabled. Minor body rates associated with closed loop control. Current altitude 36 miles, downrange distance 46 miles.